So we're going to start by sectioning up and securing our ponytail with an elastic, and as you can see I've left the front out. Now I'm going to take some elastic, I'll link this below, we're going to feed it underneath the hair, wrap it round a couple of times and secure it with a knot. Now we're just going to move those ends and keep them out of the way for a second. Now split your ponytail into two and secure the end see-through elastic. Move it up and clip it in place. Now we're going to take the ends of our elastic and secure this and get it nice and close to the head. Now traditionally I do this with pins and grips, however the elastic brings it much closer and it's much more secure than using pins and grips. Wrap it round and it will force it towards the head. Pull the elastic tight and then feed it underneath your first ponytail, wrap around again and secure it with a knot. As you can see, it brings it nice and close and secure to the head. Once again, we're going to leave the ends for later on. Now, with this section, we're going to start to back comb it. You could use a pad, but I prefer back combing as I feel I have a little bit more control. Now we have our back combing. This is what we're going to use as our pad, and we're going to bring the top over this and smooth it over the top of our back combing to create our shape. I'm simply rolling the back combing in to create a pad, bringing this over the top and gently teasing it out to create my shape. Now I'm going to use a couple of large pins just to hold it in place. I'm not trying to secure it, I'm just trying to see if the shape is correct. Then I will secure it with a couple of grips. I'm using the pin through the elastic for extra support and hold. And again, the large pins on the side are purely there just to hold it in place, not to secure it at this point. Now we're going to bring our front sections in. Now your choices here are entirely up to you, whether you curl this, wave it, plait it, or simply do what I'm going to do and add it in. I've taken out the large pin and I'm going to position it into the shape that I want. Once again, I'm just going to use a large pin just to hold it in place before moving to the other side and doing the same thing on the other side. Now once again, my elastic is going to come into play. I'm going to bring this up and use this instead of grips and pins to secure these two. I'm going behind that pin, crossing it over and pulling it down. This is going to pull this section down into that ponytail that's securing the whole of the hair up. I'm going to wrap it around a second time for added security, and also this will pull it even tighter than before. again, use a knot to secure it. You can leave the elastic there for now and we'll cut it off later. Now with this top section you can smooth it over like I am and bring it into your chignon, or you could be creative and do something else or add some curls to it. This is entirely your choice. Now all we have to do obviously is tidy up and secure everything. So I'm just going to spend a little while using some pins and grips to finally secure this, and some hairspray and product to tuck the ends in and tidy it up. Now if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification button, and check out the channel for more weekly videos on everything hair related.